In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter for an email sequence kit. We'll walk through exactly how to target or exclude specific subscribers from individual emails inside your sequence. This is really useful when you want different parts of your audience to receive different messages without needing to create separate sequences for each group. First, go to the Send section in your account, then open Sequences. From there, click on the name of the sequence you want to edit. This will open the sequence editor, where you can see all the emails and steps in that flow. Once you're in the sequence editor, look over to the right-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a list or panel of the specific emails in that sequence. Click on the email that you want to filter. You're not changing the entire sequence here, just the rules for that particular email, so make sure you've selected the right one. With that email selected, stay in the Content tab and look at the header area of that tab. You should see a small filter icon that looks like a funnel. Go ahead and click that icon. This is where you'll set up the logic that decides who should receive this email. Next, click Add Filter. A set of options will appear, letting you define your criteria. For example, you might choose something like Subscribe to and then Tag, and then pick the specific tag that identifies the group you want to target. This means only people who match that tag will be eligible to receive this email when it sends. Now, if your goal is to exclude a certain group instead of including them, you'll want to adjust the matching logic. Look for the setting that says Matching Any. Change this from Matching Any to Matching None. By doing this, you're telling the system that anyone who meets those filter conditions should be left out of this particular email. When you're happy with your filters and you've double-checked that the criteria and matching logic are correct, click Save. This will apply the filter settings to that email. Finally, don't forget to publish your updates. Click Publish Changes in the top right corner of the screen so your new filters go live and start working for the sequence.